Toys R Us closing, what is it, like 800 stores, has spread through the toy community. My store is closing, so let's walk through the doors before it's too late. I grew up on Toys R Us. I mean, I was an 80s baby, so I was like walking around singing the song, I don't wanna grow up, I'm a Toys R Us kid. There's a million toys at Toys R Us that I can play with. I mean, come on, I sing it like all the time. And the thought that this place ain't gonna be here is crazy. I'm gonna miss you, man. I'm gonna miss you. Yeah, because like my Saturday routine usually involves us going to the barn, and then we go to the mall, and then after the mall we head over to Toys R Us. So that's my Saturday. And now it's like, what do we do? On the plus side, this store hasn't started to liquidate yet, so it's still pretty stocked. So if we're looking for some last minute Toys R Us deals, today is the day to find them. I'm pretty much looking for anything that says Toys R Us exclusive. However, that is a pretty good deal right now. Buy one, get one 40% off all Calico Critter families and play sets. I might have to do that today.
Can't wait. We've got catching up to do. There's a glow about you.
This seaside ice cream shop is too cute. Let's check right quick to see if they have any Care Bears. You know I'm kind of crazy about Care Bears, right? So I think they are on, they're on this aisle right here. Yes! Okay, so here we have some Care Bear cousins. This is one of my absolute favorite Care Bears. I had this as a child from Toys R Us. Man, the nostalgia. What am I gonna do? I love me some Braveheart. Teletubbies. Okay. Who remembers Teletubbies? These are insane. They have a little TV in their tummies. That's why they're called Teletubbies. Pooh Unicorn droppings. What?
We can never go back this road. We can never go back that way. I see you standing in the corner like it's okay. Don't you know that you move?
Let's go down the Barbie aisle. Now, I do a lot of shopping at Target. I do a lot of shopping at Walmart. But you're just not gonna find this wide range of assortment in those stores because Toys R Us is a bigger store. It has a bigger collection. So that's gonna be hard to deal with for us toy hunters. Pink Passport! This is like a great Barbie collection. I have never seen this before. She comes with a really cool looking surfboard. We got flippers, new bathing suits. This one might have to come home with me today. No way! Okay. This is the made to move Kirby Barbie in the store. Okay, I know I'm being very loud right now, but I cannot control my excitement. I've been looking for this one everywhere. And we also have the rhythmic gymnastic person here. What else we got? What else we got? That's it. That's it. Okay, but you know what? We got one. We got one Kirby Barbie. I'm taking it. Okay, we gonna need a cart. Seriously. Cart. Thank you very much. Let's go check out the Monster High aisle and Enchantimals and whatever else we can find. Well, hey, let's stop at My Little Pony. Here we go. What's new, or that we don't have at least, in My Little Pony?
Let's ride it easy now, right into the night. Let's ride into the night.
The Littlest Pet Shop section is already kind of bare, so might have missed out on that one already. But that's the thing about stores starting to liquidate. People thinking the stores are starting to liquidate. People come in and start buying everything. So you can wait to the end for those great sales, or you could try to get them while you can. I'm gonna go for a mixture of the two. I'm gonna get the pieces I know I want, and then for the other pieces, I'll just wait when they go on sale. Here we have Cuckoo Harajuku, Disney Descendants 2. I see some Project MC Square. I actually have several of these dolls waiting to be reviewed at home. Monster High, her! I have been looking for her. I haven't had a chance to find this one online, and here she is. Yay! I'll take this. And I think everything else I'm pretty good on here. Let's try another aisle. Yes, I found some Toys R Us exclusive Spirit Riding Free dolls with their horses. These horses are different than your normal ones because they're fuzzy. They've got flocking on them, and that's pretty cool. And they have different fashions on the dolls. So, hey, and we have everybody? Is that everyone? Yeah, all 3 girls are here. So, you know I love my spirit. Let's look for some LOL surprise dolls because I have a very hard time finding those, and I kind of need them. But, yeah, Toys R Us closing. This is crazy, right? Since we're passing Shopkins, let's take a quick look. I think I'm pretty good on most of this. Smooshy mushy! These are so cute. They look like little bento boxes. And, Tamagotchi. Can you believe this? Tamagotchi's back. And they're tiny. So nobody will notice when I'm playing with the Tamagotchi when I'm supposed to be paying attention. Just joking, always pay attention. Okay, we're looking for LOL surprise, so let's keep looking. Keep looking. Where is the LOL surprise section? I don't understand. Did I pass it? Bunch of babies that way. Maybe they're at the front of the store.
He was nothing but a city boy. Nothing but a city boy. So what? Now. Nothing but a city boy.
So I found some of the pets, but I couldn't find any of the dolls. It's a little disappointing. Well, my cart is actually pretty full, so I guess I need to sit down and decide what I'm taking and what I'm putting back on the shelf. I'm really happy that I had a chance to walk through Toys R Us while it still looks the way that I remember. Fond memories forever. But I have a feeling that I will be back for those liquidation sales. It's depressing and sad, but true. Thank you for joining us while we did a little toy hunting at our Toys R Us one last time.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure to follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and The Frog Vlog.
Don't forget to ring the bell.
And we'll see you next time.
Bye!